Hello guys, it's YouTube time. So today I will be making mochi. And maybe it's a new recipe that we're trying out. And here are the ingredients. Condensed milk and evaporated milk. And this one is sticky rice flour and some sweet potato. And there's actually two kinds of sweet potato, which is the purple one and this one. But I don't like this one. I like the purple one. But we're gonna try this one today. Okay, now let's get on to it. So first, we're going to chop off the sweet potato, and then we're going to wash them, and then we're going to let them boil for until it becomes soft. Yeah. Okay, guys, let's boil it now. So guys, we put the sweet potato in the pan, and then we put a little enough water, and we close. So we close the lid. Well, there's a little piece of hair in there. Okay, so we're going to wait until it becomes soft, like very soft. So while we're waiting for this sweet potato to boil, we will be making the rice. Okay, the sweet rice, the sticky rice, sweet sticky rice. We are going to put this milk, and we're going to pour it little by little, and then we're going to start. This is so hard to get it. So wait. Let's put milk. Oh, put milk by little by little. Oh no. Okay, let's stir it now, guys. Oh, this feels so weird. Oh, it's actually very soft, but we are not gonna touch it, guys. Then we're gonna put it again. Okay, that's enough. Until it's put again. Okay, that will be enough for now. Oh, it's actually turning really good. So we're going to stir it for like maybe until when it gets stickier and all the flour that is in here to come with the milk. And we're gonna put more, I guess. This is so relaxing. I don't know why, but it is. Okay, I think we should not use the spoon. We should use a whisk. Oh, this is hard. Oh, I think it's not hard anymore. I want to touch the milk. Okay, so guys, I will be mashing it up, and we're going to get the sweet potato and mash them up in here, and then we're going to roll it into the dirt. Just like put the whole thing in. Oh, okay. It's very hard. Okay, so now we are going to be mashing the potatoes. It's already done. So we're going to mash them, and then we're going to... I'll just do it this way. It's so hard. It's like already like this because it's boiled. You can actually boil it in your pan if you don't have that much potatoes. So we're going to mash it like a fine texture. Okay. This is so hard. Okay. So now we are going to mash the other potatoes that aren't mashed yet. This is just like mashed potatoes, but like sweet potato edition. And by the way, you can choose any potato you want. Only sweet potato, like not the potato. There are three kinds, which is the normal one, which is the white one, and the orange and the purple. But if you're going to make this, you're going to use the one that has the color. Okay, guys? If the people want to do two colors, then that's okay. That's fine by me. That's fine by me. Okay, so we're going to put a little bit milk, so it's going to be easy to mash it. Okay, that's enough. We are going to put the condensed milk. Finally, now we are going to put it. And it depends how sweet you want, like what amount you want, the sweetness you want. And I chose very like so much because I'm a kind of like a chocolate, and chocolate is sweet. Okay, so now it is time to roll it. Now, if you want, if you're going to wear this, that's okay because we want our hands not dirty, so we're going to use this. Okay, guys, we've got our gloves on, so we are going to be rolling it. Oh, it's really cold if you touch it up. Not too small or not too big. Just a big one? Okay. We got both. Okay, so now I'm gonna put you here, little guy. Okay, so now we're going to keep doing this process until it's all finished. This feels very soft actually. Sometimes maybe it can get stuck to your gloves, which I hate, but we have to get used to it, right? Okay, so guys, let's keep doing until all the bowl is finished, and I am making some progress. Or maybe you can have a little help. That would be so nice, so we can speed up. It got stuck. Oh no, there's someone this way too. Okay guys, so our movements are because it's so uncomfortable and sometimes it sticks. So now we are going to be doing our dough. Okay, so now we're going to do our dough. And now we're going to flatten it down, or maybe on a flat surface. So it's going to be much more easier. Okay, I think that's too. Oh no, that's too flat. Okay, at first we're going to do it like a bowl. A bowl. It's a bowl. Okay, so now we're going to flat. And we're going to put the base inside. And then we're going to close it. Okay guys, I'm almost done. And now we are going to pick anything, and if it's too big for you, just flatten it by only a little bit. So we are going to get this and wrap it like a dumpling. Okay guys, now we can fry it. So guys, we're going to fry it. And if you're going to fry, you're going to use a non-sticking pan because maybe some of them, they're going to stick to the pan. And we don't want that, won't we? And we're going to let it heat first, and then we're going to put our snack. So guys, let's put the oil. Now we're going to wait until the oil is hot. So guys, we're going to put one by one. So it can be safe. Oh, it's stuck, I think. I guess we're gonna put by hand, but be careful, guys. Be careful if you get burned. Okay, guys, so now we are going to flip it until it is golden brown. I'm gonna choose this one. Crispy good? Whoa, it's burned. Okay, now this one. Let's be safe, guys. Wow, look how crispy that is. Guys, we're going to maintain the low heat, which we're doing right now. Yeah. Or else it will be burned, or you don't want to burn. So we're going to be safe for now. We're going to press it down so it doesn't get like more golden brown, which is burnt. Okay, so guys, we are now it is okay, guys. It's already golden brown, and if you guys going to take it out, you're going to turn it off first, so you guys don't get burned. Okay, guys, we're going to put get a little bit oil, a little bit oil out from the snap. So oh no. Okay, we did it, guys. And now it is now done. We got our first one. So now we're gonna get this one. I'm going to put all the oil out. Guess it's done. Okay. It depends how many or much you guys want to fry, but that's okay. It's your opinion. I guess. Okay, guys. So now we're going to let it cool first, and then we're going to have a taste. Okay, guys. So it is done cooling down. So let's see which one's the crispiest. No. Oh, I think. Oh yeah, this one. Okay, so now we're going to do a taste test. And is it good? Let's see the inside. Let's see the inside first. Wow! It's cool. Whoa! It's orange in the inside because we put orange. Okay. It's so good! Oh my god! It's not very sweet. A little bit powdery. Kinda good. And also it's creamy. And so easy to make, but maybe it could take an hour or maybe not that much time. But if you guys have time, maybe you guys can make this. And I will give it a 8 out of 10. That's really good, but I don't like the texture of it. So I like it though. I like it though. I actually very like it. Guys, we are done. So goodbye, guys. Goodbye. And also see you in the next video.